Welcome to the Hawaiian edition of Tams Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some pineapple shrimp fried rice, I'm going to make a pineapple cake, and I'm going to make some pineapple Malibu slushies. It's going to be so good. Hey, you, pay attention. Chris is already in Hawaiian mode, can you tell? We figured a Hawaiian theme would be great to break up January. It's cold, it's after Christmas, and everyone wishes they were on vacation. And Chris here, he's about to get laid.
Oh, that right.
Ready to cook?
Yeah.
Let's get cooking. No, Chris, no, we don't. No, you'll hurt yourself. We don't do it that way. Gentle. Cut it gentle.
All right. I'm gonna have a nap.
Probably wondering why I'm scooping out the pineapple. Because we're going to use this as dishes. You'll see, trust me, it'll be worth it. So when you're cutting them to scoop them out, make sure not to cut all the way through. And usually I do them in little pieces like this. Trust me, it's still a little tedious and there's still a little bit of work to it, but it works a little easier if you do make some cuts in it.
I'm growing hair out of my ears. I'll put them away.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the pineapple cake. It's very easy. A white cake mix, any kind, your choice. Normally I would say prepare it according to the instructions on the back, but you'll see why it's a little bit different. So first we have 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, pineapple and juice from 1 pineapple. You can also use a can of pineapple tidbits with the juice, don't drain it. And we have 3 eggs taken out, but I may only need 2. We're gonna see how moist the cake mix gets with these ingredients first. Okay, so let's get this put together. New hand mixer I got for Christmas. Scrape down off the sides of it. So we're going to use 2 eggs to start. And then we're going to add in the pineapples, like I said, with the juice. And then just give it a mix. You can't really blend this part with the hand mixer. And see, that's perfectly moist. Same when you use a can of pineapple tidbits with juice, you only need 2 eggs and 1 cup of milk. Alrighty, I've got the oven preheated to 350 degrees. I've got the cake pan sprayed with cooking spray. So let's get this in the oven. Hey Chris, you want to lick the bowl? Well, that was quick. Here you go. All yours.
Hey.
Welcome, enjoy. So now just, my bracelet's making a lot of noise, sorry. So now just like flatten it down a little bit, and it's ready to go in the oven. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. I love Siri, she's so helpful. So while the cake is baking, we're gonna start on the pineapple shrimp fried rice. So let's get that done. So I've got 4 eggs put in a pan to fry, and we're just gonna kind of scramble them like they are. They're in a little bit of coconut oil. In this pan, we're gonna turn it on, and we're going to start with 1 onion chopped up, about 6 pieces of asparagus chopped. Throw that in. Remember our veggie prep videos? This is about a 1/4 pack of the broccoli. 1 4 And then the same with the carrots. From our veggie prep video, about a quarter pack of carrot. Just a tablespoon, a little bit more than a tablespoon of garlic. Crushed garlic, my favorite ingredient. Next we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. However much you like. I don't like too much salt, so just a little sprinkle. Same with pepper, just enough to give it flavor. There. Now we're going to put the cover on because as you can see the carrots and broccoli are still a little frozen. It's from our food prep. So we're just going to let that heat up and simmer down a little bit. Rice is coming to a boil, so we're going to turn that down a little bit, let it simmer. I'm going to give it a stir. It's 2 cups of rice cooked according to package, and we're just going to let that simmer till it cooks. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I do with the shrimp before I put it in with everything else to saute. I'm going to add some chili powder just to coat them. It's up to you how much you use. Usually for a bag, 1 bag of peeled shrimp, I use about 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And then I give them a good stir. The reason I do this is because the little bit of heat on the shrimp from the chili powder mixed with the fresh pineapple in the rice, it just tastes so good. It gives it that little bit of heat and sweet. As you can see, the vegetables are all sauteed down nicely. Next, we're going to add the shrimp. It goes in. Give it a stir. It only takes a couple of minutes for the shrimp to actually saute down. Look at the colors. It looks so delicious. So we'll just give that a couple of minutes. We'll put the cover on, just keep the heat in. Helps them cook down a little bit faster. That a couple more minutes just to make sure the shrimp are nice and cooked through. They're already pre-cooked, but they were frozen, so. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah, see that? The shrimp is perfectly sauteed down. They're a little more white now. Have a little bit of heat on them. So now we're gonna mix everything together. 4 eggs that were mushed earlier, scrambled. 1 fresh pineapple, scooped out, cut up, but the juice drained off. And next we're going to add the rice. Just a good stir in. Just make sure everything is mixed well. Soy sauce. As you know me, I rarely measure things out. Usually I do it for your benefit, but with the soy sauce, not open. With the soy sauce, I just add a little bit. Give it a stir. This way, if you just do a little bit at a time, you can add more. You can always add more. You just can't take more out if you add too much. My cooking tip for the day. Just add a little bit of soy sauce at a time. If you notice, I still have the heat on, just because this is the way it's taking out the extra moisture and stuff that's in the rice, so that it's not too soggy. And I'll just put a little bit more in for a little bit more color. Some people like more soy sauce, some people like less. Like I keep telling you guys, play with your food. Do what tastes right for you. Because I mean, at the end of the day, you're the one that has to eat it, right? So I make it the way that we like, the way that tastes good for us. Same with the seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic. Add as much or as little as you like. Whatever tastes good to you. There. Oh, perfect timing. The rice is done. We're just gonna let it simmer for a minute while we take the cake out of the oven. Nice and golden brown. So we're gonna let that cool for a minute. Then we'll ice it. Now that our special dinner is just about ready, I'm going to make our Malibu pineapple slushies.
Slushies?
Yes.
Ooh.
Pineapple Malibu slushies.
I can't wait to have those.
I know, they're gonna be the piece de resistance.
And after that, I got a surprise for you.
I do love surprises. What is it?
Yeah, just come and see.
Okay, well let me get these drinks made and then we're gonna eat.
Hi.
So for the Malibu pineapple slushies, we need 2 cups of pineapple juice. Throw that in. A bowl of frozen mixed fruit. instead of ice, use fruit. Good little tip, right? Put those in there. I saved 2 slices of the fresh pineapple. Chop those up, put those in. And the best part, 375 milliliters of Malibu rum. Okay, it's about to get loud for a minute. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna ice the cake. Easy, just 1 container of white icing. It can be fluffy white, it can be the cream cheese white, doesn't matter, whatever you want. Like I'm telling you, food is the easiest thing. Make it how you want it to taste. Cake is ready. So we have lunch, we have drinks, and we have dessert. I'm already feeling hot, hot, hot. Baby, our dinner's ready. Oh, baby, that is so sweet.
I did it for you.
You ready to eat?
I am, but you're not quite ready yet.
What do you mean I'm not ready? Oh, yes.
All right.
We're ready. Cheers. Happy Hawaiian Day.
Happy Hawaiian Day.
Hot, hot, hot.
You do this one more often too.
We're gonna get fat. That time of week again. Time to do the leftover portion. Like I keep promoting every week, guys, glass snapware. With the plastic Tupperware, things tend to get freezer burned. They're not as easy to take from the freezer and put in the microwave. Snap the lid. Dry erase marker, write on what it is, and pop it in the freezer. It can keep up to a couple of weeks when you're ready for a lunch or a dinner. You can do bigger portions if you'd like, if you want to take it out for a dinner another time this week, but just take it from the freezer, pop it in the microwave. Done. So that was our episode. I really hope you enjoyed the Hawaiian themed edition of Tams Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and share. Hey Chris,
Hey?
you're cleaning up. I'm out of here.
Oh, wait. No, wait. What? Fine.